Hey everyone, myself Arun, and today in this video, I am going to provide the solution of this question. Eastern chemical produces two types of lubricating fluids. So in this question, I have provided the solution using Excel formulation and Excel solver. So this one is our formulation part where P1 is the gallons of product 1 and P2 is the gallons of product 2. We have our constants here and it is minimum P1 and P2. So we need the minimization of this question. Here is the answer report and this is our sensitivity report. Using both of these are fetched using Excel solver. And here is our decision variables. These are all our constants. This is the maximum profit and this one is the total profit. Now here is the graphical representation of this question. And this one is our optimal solution. So I had tried to solve each and every parts of this question and yeah. So to get this workbook, you can just reach out me over my email and WhatsApp, which I will sharing you in my description part of this video. So thanks and have a good day. Bye.